A direct shift gearbox is a type of transmission system that combines the best of both manual and automatic transmissions. It uses a computer-controlled dual clutch to engage and disengage gears in the gearbox, allowing for faster and smoother gear changes. The DSG transmission is made up of two separate gearboxes, each with its own clutch. The odd-numbered gears are housed in one gearbox, while the even-numbered gears are housed in the other. This allows for quick and seamless shifting, as one clutch can be disengaging while the other is engaging, leading to smooth gear changes. The DSG transmission uses sensors to monitor the engine speed, road speed, and accelerator pedal position, allowing it to predict the driver's next move and adjust accordingly. It has multiple modes, including Sport mode, which allows for even quicker and more responsive gear changes. Overall, the DSG transmission provides a sporty and efficient driving experience, making it a popular choice in high-performance and luxury vehicles.